Hi, I'm Haley, and today I'm going to be making some fancy sugar cookies by taking leftover sugar cookie dough and adding special ingredients. Let's get started. So I had 9 ounces of leftover sugar cookie dough, and I split it up into 3 bowls, so 3 ounces for each of these recipes, and you can just increase the amount for however much cookie dough you have. I'm going to start with a classic. We're going to make Snickerdoodle cookies. I'm going to split this to like 4. Make sure you wash your hands before you start baking. So just roll your cookie dough into little balls. Okay, now I'm going to combine 2 tablespoons of sugar with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. This smells good. All right, once you've mixed that all together, I'm going to take that over here to my baking pan. Now I'm going to take each of my little dough balls and roll them in the cinnamon and sugar. Put it all over it. And I'm just going to put them on my baking sheet. Just keep doing this until you finish coating all the dough balls. Okay, and our first cookie is done. Now in a separate bowl, I've got more sugar cookie dough. It's the same amount, 3 ounces, and I'm going to put in a 1/4 cup of Sour Patch Kids. This is a crazy one, but I found the recipe on the back of the Sour Patch Kids, and I was like, why not try it? It's going to be very interesting. Take some work to mix it in. Spoon, not combining it very well. Going in with my hands. I have clean hands though. You always wash your hands before you bake. I'm gonna knead them into the sugar cookie dough. Hopefully this works. I think they're staying in pretty good now. Okay, now I can finally separate up the cookie dough. I'm just going to make 4 cookies again. Yeah, I'm not really sure how well Sour Patch and cinnamon sugar would mix, so I'm giving them lots of space. Okay, that cookie is done. Now it's time for the last one. All right, you know I just can't make a video about how to make your cookies better and not make one with chocolate. I am a chocolate lover, so we're gonna make a chocolate caramel sea salt cookie. I'm not even sure if that's the right way to say it. A chocolate chip sea salt caramel cookie. That's right. Okay, got 3 ounces of sugar cookie dough again, and I'm gonna add in 1/2 tablespoon of caramel sauce. Ooh, it looks so good. And just mix it in. Okay, this dough looks really nice. It's turned a completely different color, but I'm liking it. And it smells like caramel. Now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. It's a really odd measurement, but I have a really small amount of cookie dough. And if you want, you can always add more chocolate chips, you know? Go chocolate crazy. I'm just gonna mix these in. All right, so I finished mixing in my chocolate chips, but we're not done yet. I'm gonna add 1/2 tablespoon more of caramel sauce, and I'm gonna mix that in. Perfect, that is beautiful. And now I'm gonna separate it into 4 dough balls. They look good, right? Okay, I am all finished. Wait, pause. Okay, so I'm done rolling out all of my sugar cookie dough balls, and there's just one more thing I need to finish this off. I've got some coarse kosher salt. I'm gonna flatten out 1 cookie and sprinkle it on top. Only do this with the chocolate chip sea salt caramel ones. One last thing before we bake them. I know I keep saying we're done. We're not done yet. I'm gonna flatten all of my cookies out. There we go. Ooh, that's the cinnamon sugar hand. Switch hands. I can hear the crunch. It sounds very strange. These are going in the oven. I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm gonna stick them in there for about 5 minutes, but sugar cookies burn easily. So just keep an eye on them, like the whole time. Trust me. Okay, the cookies are done. They look great. They were in there for 6 minutes. Now I'm gonna try them. I feel like I should try all of them so I know what they all taste like. So I'm just gonna take like a little piece, half of a cookie. All right, first one, chocolate sea salt caramel. Oh, the color is very nice. And they look like they're dark, but I think it's just because the cookie dough is dark because they're actually really soft. Oh my gosh. Okay, these are really good. And I think my favorite part is like the salt. The salt with the chocolate especially. But those are really good. Snickerdoodle. Need to get a tiny piece. These Snickerdoodles are really good. This makes me so happy because not too long ago, okay, probably a year ago actually, but I made Snickerdoodle cookies with stevia and they tasted really bad. Like stevia, no, it was too much stevia and it made me want to throw up. So I haven't baked Snickerdoodles since then because every time I think of a Snickerdoodle cookie, I think of those and then I just want to throw up. But these are really good and thank goodness they don't taste like they were made with stevia. This is gonna be hard to break in half because it's a Sour Patch one. I don't know what I'm supposed to think of this. I don't know. Well, they're pretty good. I mean, I love Sour Patch Kids. I think it just tastes like a giant Sour Patch cookie. So that's good. I like chocolate more though. I love the chocolate ones so much. These are definitely my favorite. All right, and there you have it. Now you know what to do if you have some leftover sugar cookie dough and you don't particularly like plain sugar cookies because that's just boring. These are exciting, especially the chocolate one. Make the chocolate one. I'm advertising for the chocolate one a lot because I really like the chocolate one. Well, anyways, thanks for experimenting with me today. Let me know in the comments what you do to make your sugar cookies special, and I'll see you next time on You're Stirring It Wrong.